Welcome. In today's video, you'll learn how to add a custom status on Discord in just a few quick steps. Whether you want to share what you're doing, express your mood, or drop a quick message for your friends to see, Discord makes it incredibly easy to customize your status. Let's get started. First, open the Discord app on your phone. Make sure you're logged into your account and have the home page in front of you. This is the main screen where you can see your servers, chats, and friends list. It's where all your conversations begin. Next, look at the bottom right corner of the screen and tap on your profile picture. That small icon is your personal hub for settings, preferences, and account options. Once you tap it, Discord will open your profile page where you can manage everything about your account. Now, you'll see an option labeled Add Status right next to your profile section. Tap on it. This is where the fun part begins. You'll have a few options available. You can add text to share what's on your mind, add an emoji to match your mood, and even choose how long your status should stay active before it clears automatically. Go ahead and type what you'd like your status to say. It could be something as simple as "feeling good today," "busy working on a project," or even a funny quote that your friends will recognize. Once you're happy with what you've written, tap the save or checkmark icon to confirm your new status.